What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL, and we are back with break 501. We're post 500. We got 6 boxes coming at you right now for our afternoon mixer. And the cool part about this one, again, we're doing Guess the Ink. We're really trying our best to give this one away. It's the last spot out of 5. 4 people are waiting. We got one more person to be crowned to the final table, and hopefully we're going to do it today. Everybody guessed their Guess the Inks, and teams have already been decided. I believe we only have one trade. So here's your teams for today. We got Todd with Columbus, Rick with Minnesota, Jonathan Carolina, Bob is Florida, Robin Boston, Bobby is Buffalo, Matt is LA, Jason St. Louis, Daryl Montreal, John Arizona, Stefan Winnipeg, Nathan is New Jersey, Matthew Dallas, Bobby is Detroit, Jesse is Toronto, Jake Washington, Stefan Calgary, Terry Islanders, Rob Chicago, Alwyn Edmonton, Blair Ottawa, Roy Philly, Jordan Nashville, Michaels Tampa Bay, Christine the Rangers, Dana traded for Colorado, Stacy Pittsburgh, Sean is Anaheim, Tom is San Jose. First break with us, man. Welcome aboard. And Rob is Vancouver. There's your teams. I don't believe any trades other than Ottawa and Colorado, Jason and Dana. So there's your teams. We're on to break 501, post 500. Let's check out the Guess the Ink here. Contours, Flair Showcase, Contours, Flair Showcase, Hit Parade, Premier, and then Series 2 and SP Game Used. So top box after 4 will be open first. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and lucky 4. We got SP Game Used. So first autograph is going to come from SP Game Used. Hopefully, we'll see an autograph. The rule with our Guess the Ink, in order for it to be a correct guess, it has to be an autograph. It can't be a redemption. So if we do, by chance, get no autograph in SP Game Used, we move on to Contours. That was the second box. So here we go. Let's fix the camera and get started. Good luck, guys. SP Game Used coming at you first. So anybody who said those 16, 17 rookies, you can count yourself out. You know how it goes. 15, 16. Good luck. I'm telling you, if nobody guesses the ink here today, I literally will do Guess the Ink on every break until we give it away. We got some other stuff planned and coming up, so I really want to get this Guess the Ink over with. We got nice prizes just sitting there waiting to be given away. For anybody who doesn't know, we're giving away a Mario Lemieux jersey, a Patrick Waugh autographed jersey, Jean Beliveau autographed helmet, and we got a box of black and a box of Hit Parade. So some very nice prizes, got to say. Up first, for the LA Kings, we got Dustin Brown. 116 of 125. Give me 1 second. Let me grab a filler. All right, Dustin Brown to start us off for LA. After that is Florida Panthers. Aaron Ekblad. And our first autograph of the break is inked sweater for the Pittsburgh Penguins. It is 66 of 99. Marc-Andre Fleury. Nice one. Nobody guessed Fleury, unfortunately, for Guess the Ink. But nice card for Stacy. Brennan. Don't say that. You don't mean it. You don't mean that, Brennan. Don't say goodbye yet. Marc-Andre Fleury. Nice one, Stacy. Got a nice patch through 2 colors. Maybe 3 if you squint a little bit. 92 of 99. St. Louis Blues, Jaden Schwartz. Nice patch for St. Louis, part of a trade. And after St. Louis, we got Joe Thornton. Hit us with a dice roll. San Jose and Boston. 46 of 49. You're looking for any excuse you can find to come out of retirement. But yeah, I'll let you away with it. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. San Jose. 4, 5, 6 will be for Boston. Trusty dice roll. Here we go. 5 it is. 5 on the dice. That means Boston for this one. Boston is Robin. Done. Boston in the books. Let's do our blaster box. Our guest ink is over with, unfortunately. So yeah, like I said, every break from here on in, I think I'm going to do guest sync, no matter if it's a $20 break or if it's a $60 break, whatever. Doesn't matter. We're going young gun hunting, starting with all base cards. Pack 2. We had Upper Deck portrait, rookie portrait of Oscar Lindberg, New York Rangers. Base and more base. This is an Upper Deck canvas for the Philadelphia Flyers, Steve Mason. So our mail days have all been sent off. 500 break last night was pretty crazy. We got all of our cards sent off, all of our jerseys sent off, everything is sent off. So this will be a fresh mail day, this one here. All base there. Now we're looking forward to Trilogy tomorrow. Trilogy releases 17-18 Trilogy. There's an Edmonton Oilers Young Gun. Right team, wrong player. David Musil for the Oilers. So yeah, Trilogy releases tomorrow. We are planning 2 more breaks. We're posting them later today. The one left is a random team, and the other one left is a pick your team. All base cards again. I believe we got one young gun left to find here. The Trilogy's looking good tomorrow. It's a little bit updated, more updated than usual. Tyler Randall, marquee rookie, foil. So tomorrow should be good. They got lots of updated sets in the Trilogy, and they got some classics, some favorites back again. But there's a new Hall of Fame plaque autograph set. Looks pretty cool. Marquee rookie Noah Hannafin, Carolina. Just a white O-Pee-Chee marquee rookie. More base. Still one young gun left. More base. Last one. And last one is Adam Pelch, young gun for the Islanders. Alrighty, we're moving on to some more interesting stuff now. That is it for the blaster box. Let's rock a box of contours, 15-16 contours. We got rookie resume for the Detroit Red Wings. That is numbered 7 of 99. Detroit. And our jersey card for this one is the Montreal Canadiens, Jacob Delarose. Rookie jumbo fabric. Henrik Sedin, $4.99. Vancouver Canucks. Henrik Sedin. And our autograph is for the Dallas Stars, Matthias Janmark, 108 of $4.99 for Dallas. So I'm sure some people got a 500 break hangover last night. It was a lot of cards. I think we were breaking for almost a little bit over 2 hours, actually. Pack 3. Rookie resume. This one is numbered to 399 for the Vancouver Canucks. Ronald Keenans. And Panarin. We got a 2-color rookie jersey club crest for Chicago. Still haven't come across any cards with Panarin with Columbus yet in the new stuff. I guess we'll see that first shot of that tomorrow. Not sure if I saw any from Black Diamond. I can't remember. Taylor Hall, Edmonton Oilers, $4.99. So yeah, tomorrow will probably be the first product we'll see Panarin in a new uni. And then Youth Movement, Morgan Rielly for the Maple Leafs. That's $140 of $3.99. Maple Leafs. Toronto is Jesse. 3 left. Fleer Showcase we're going to rock now. Let's see if we can find a hot box here. Scoring Kings, Max Pacioretty is definitely not a scoring king these days. Scoring Kings. For the Canadians, Metal Universe, Jamie Benn, Dallas Stars. Effects, we got Jesse P for the Edmonton Oilers. That's a rookie effects. Jesse P. So yeah, anybody wondering about Trilogy, we are posting Trilogy later. 2 left, 2 Trilogy left. We got Senko for the Blues. Red Glow, Mark Stone, Ottawa Senators. Metal Universe, Kyle Connor for the Winnipeg Jets. Two boxes left after this. We got Premier and Gold Rush Hit Parade. This one is Jeff Daniels, 19 of 25. Man, that is a super thin card. Feels like a little piece of paper. Jeff Daniels, that's a buyback for Pittsburgh. And Tyler Mate for Chicago. Yeah, trades are always the worst, especially when there's only one trade. Everybody knows the one trade, they remembers it, and then they check on who wins it. We've had people like trade away teams and just pretty much turn themselves away from breaking. We got Johnny T for the Islanders. No auto yet. I guess they're only going to get one by the look of things. Die cut hot gloves, Patrick Waugh. Montreal Canadiens. Zach Werenski for the Blue Jackets. We only got two people left in our point streak, too, so our new point streak will probably be starting tomorrow or the next day at the very latest. Keep your eyes peeled for that. There's only 2 people left, and one of the winners is walking away with $750 cash and $750 break credit, man. That's a lot of break credit, a lot of cash for a week's worth Guessing some players, not bad. Brandon Carlo. TJ Oshie, Capitals, red glow. Still no auto. They're making us wait. What do you think? Is it going to be worth the wait? Well, let's see. Patrice Bergeron, Boston, Metal Universe. Four or 5 packs left. I'm hoping we get a thick one. A little bit of RPA action. Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. Skybox Prospect. This is $4.99 for the Winnipeg Jets. Patrick Laine. Skybox Premium Prospect. Winnipeg, looks like we got one autograph in our last 2 packs here somewhere. Zach Sanford, this is a red glow, 24 of 25 for the Washington Capitals. $24.25. And last pack, literally made us wait to the last pack. And Brendan Leipsic, number to 49. It's a red glow autograph for the Toronto Maple Leafs. So there you go. They made us wait for all of our hits. They gave us Laine, then they gave us the red glow of Sanford, and then they gave us this autograph last 3 packs. Testing our patience. There you go, Toronto, Jesse. We're moving on to the last 2 boxes here, guys. Hit Parade and Premier, the 2 big ones. We'll do Premier first, I guess, and then we'll rock Hit Parade. Good luck. 14-15, you're looking for Johnny Gaudreau, Draisaitl, Ekblad, Kuznetsov. Not a bad rookie class. Here we go. Rookie. This is a rookie base. Ekblad, 249 for Florida. Yeah, it looks good, man. I love it. McDavid. Everybody keeps asking me who this guy is over here. To the right. Tough to tell, but it's Malkin. Ekblad, that is a rookie base for Florida. And then a Colorado. Gabriel Landeskog, 249 for Colorado. RPA for William Karlsson of the Anaheim Ducks, 47 of 299. 1, 2, 3 color RPA. Anaheim is Sean. Karlsson. Got a rookie signature for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh's had a few hits as well. Pittsburgh, Stacy. A jersey card. Jersey card for the Rangers. Rick Nash, 53 of 125. Rangers. Pavel Datsyuk, 100 of 125 for Detroit. And last but not least, this one's numbered to 299. 3 colors for the Florida Panthers. Aaron Ekblad, RPA. 177 of 199. Nice one. Straight across on the seams. Done. Florida, Bobby. We got too many Bobbies and Bobs in this one. Bob Pilgrim. Nice one, man. Ekblad on the way. So, guys, again, mail sent out already. This round of mail here is a new round of mail. So this mail is going to go out on Friday morning with all the trilogy stuff. Hit Parade. Last box. Let's do it. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. We got an employee exclusive rookie gold autograph of Connor McDavid. Boom. How you like that, Owen? Hit Parade is a gem. Gold employee exclusive. This one was only actually given away to the employee Upper Deck employees. So very cool. I actually got this. I got this card, but with no autograph on it. So this one's a lot prettier than mine, for sure. Very nice. Connor McDavid, employee gold. I love it. Congrats, Alwyn. That's a good way to end the break there. Connor McDavid, guys. Thanks for joining us. That is it for 6-box mixer number 501. That's a hell of a way to start with our next round of breaks, counting down to 1,000. So congrats, Alwyn, and everybody else who hit nice cards. Thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you a little bit later for some more trilogy and another mixer later tonight. Thanks, and don't forget, go big or go home. Peace.